Nice cast, Nick. I'm filming this for Bassmasters. Bassmasters. Still got that on your mind, huh? That's what you wanted to hear. We pulled to these rocks. We pulled over to these rocks because Tom needed a break from the harassment.